We looked for 3 years to find the right location. We also took a building that was 20,000 square feet and we've now moved into a brand new 40,000 square feet facility. One of the nice things about this facility also is the fact that we have half an acre just for doing demonstrations and training. So training in this facility has become a big focus of ours to help our customer.
We base our business on our values, and our customers, we view them as part of our family. We want to help them establish their business and grow their business, so we come alongside them.
They provide us with a great facility to work out of. It's very easy to get your work done that you need to do here at the dealership. But then I also like just going out and seeing who we can find, who we can help, and get them going and make it a good day for everybody.
From the day that I started here, I felt like I belonged, like I was part of the family. Everybody makes sure that I know if I needed something, don't be afraid to ask. And everybody just treated me like I was a member of the team. And for a moment, it was just like, wow, I kind of feel like I'm at home.